My name is Cindy. People around me always admire for what I have in life. An outstanding career, a harmonious family. Every day, I will use a variety of fresh flower to maintain the freshness in our house. Freshness makes our family happy and energized. The care and commitment that I have for my family motivates me to work. Previously, damp and dusty atmosphere in the house and the critical hazy outdoor air has made me feel irritated and worrisome. Humid weather has caused mold and fungus to grow in the room. It has caused unpleasant smell in the room. During the rainy weather, the wet clothes will take days to dry and it will smell awful. Humid air has also caused my children's skin prone to eczema. It makes me worry and sleepless. The leftover VOC from renovation has caused my husband to feel even more exhausted every day. To a certain extent, losing interest in me. But now, I have her to help me to change all this. LUKO from Germany, a dehumidifier with fresh air and air purifying system. Our house can now be fresh and clean all day long. Using its smart app, I could turn on the system even before reaching home. It will ventilate to fill my house with clean and fresh air. Once I reached home, I will be greeted by my loved ones and the freshness in the house. My family can now breathe easily, feeling more energetic and enjoy our wonderful family time together. Hazardous air from outdoor will not be an issue anymore. Our house is now always filled with decent, clean air. Our home will not be humid anymore. It will be kept at comfort level all times in all seasons. Our children have now become happier and even more energetic. With more clean and fresh air, the presence of VOC will also greatly reduce. Now, my husband not only enjoyed the natural fresh air in the house, he has also installed LUKO in his office. With this smart apps, it will prompt to remind us to replace filters, and this truly helps our maintenance work to become easier and timely. Dehumidifier with energy recovery ventilator will always provide clean and fresh air, which allow us to sleep soundly throughout the night. With LUKO, our vacation begins at home.